G'day, it's a lawn expert here. I'm at a customer's lawn here in Vaucluse and she's complained of armyworm. Okay, let's go and have a look. Now you can see where the grass is browned off. That's all been eaten away by armyworm, and as you can see just at the end, the armyworm has still got another night's feed left. But anyway, we're going to spray the lawn with two insecticides. One is the important one is bifenthrin, and that's the one that's that targets the above ground insects like armyworm. And I'll just show you the two products that we'll use. One is bifenthrin and the other one is imidacloprid. Okay, I've just mixed up the two chemicals into the backpack sprayer, so we'll get that done. We'll get the spraying done, and then I'll just lightly fertilise the lawn to help the grass get its green back. Job's finished. Now, just to explain what we've done so far, we've sprayed the lawn with the important insecticide bifenthrin. That's the one that targets the above ground insects such as the armyworm and black beetle, that sort of thing. Then the next step is we need to, or we have done, we've just fertilised the lawn, and we've only just given that a light feed just to help bring on some new green growth.